Dr. Paul, we just wrapped up our personal injury educational sales workshop. We're here with Dr. Jim. So, what do you think? How'd it go?
This was an awesome seminar.
Now, you've been in practice how long?
27 years.
A little bit. So you've probably been to a few personal injury seminars?
Yes,
Okay, and how would you rate this in 27 years of taking personal injury seminars?
this was the most in-depth, intense personal injury seminar I have ever been to.
Okay, and why would you say that?
Just because this was what I was always looking for, and nobody gave it until I found you, came to the seminar, and you clarified things that I was looking for, I had no idea even existed.
Now, two things we did. Number one is we're very detailed in all the documentation, aren't we?
Very.
Okay? And then we're very detailed in the marketing, aren't we?
Yes,
Like
we
this
are.
is the personal injury attorney marketing, right?
Yes,
Okay.
very detailed.
So can you see how, now that you know this, can you see how and why, you probably didn't have, you probably talked to attorneys in the past, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Did you have much success?
No,
Now you know why, don't you?
I know exactly why.
Because we pointed out not only what you should do, but what you shouldn't do, and there was probably a lot of things you did that you shouldn't have done, right? Probably.
Yes,
And there was probably a lot of things you should have done, but you didn't know to do it, didn't you?
I had no idea.
In other words, that's why, now you know why it didn't work, right?
I do.
Okay, but different now.
Lots
Now
different.
now you know the exact documentation, you know the educational sales, now you know how to put them both together, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so can you see how and why, as an example, last year, I think, a little over 7 presentations to a little over 100 attorneys. You just experienced what I did to those. We created over 100 of those attorneys signing up for the referrals, creating over $20 million. Can you now see why, based on what you experienced?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. All right.
Yes.
Thanks
It
a
was
lot.
awesome.
Yep, thanks.
You're welcome.